Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you think your iPhone is just a phone, think again. Every day, your device quietly collects data about your location, your habits, your searches, and even your voice commands. And while companies like Apple strongly emphasize privacy as a core value, there are still several settings enabled by default that track more than most people realize. The good news? You can turn many of them off in just a few minutes. First, let's talk about location tracking. Your iPhone constantly records significant places you visit, home, work, favorite stores, through a feature called significant locations. This data is used to improve maps and suggestions, but it also builds a detailed history of your movements. To turn it off, go to Settings, tap Privacy and Security, then Location Services, scroll down to System Services, and tap Significant Locations. Disable it immediately. While you're there, review which apps have access to your location and switch them to while using the app instead of always. No social media app needs to know where you are 24/7. Next, let's address microphone concerns. Many people believe their phone is listening to them. Technically, your iPhone activates the microphone when you use voice features like Hey Siri. Siri is designed to listen for its wake phrase, but if you're uncomfortable with that, you can disable it. Go to Settings, tap Siri and search, and turn off Listen for Hey Siri. Also, scroll through your apps in Settings and check which ones have microphone access. Disable access for any app that doesn't truly need it. Another hidden tracker is personalized ads. Even though Apple limits third-party tracking more than most companies, it still uses your data to deliver personalized ads within its own ecosystem. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, tap Apple Advertising and turn off personalized ads. Then head back and tap Tracking to ensure Allow Apps to Request to Track is disabled. This prevents apps from tracking your activity across other apps and websites. You should also review analytics and improvements. By default, your iPhone may share device analytics and usage data. Go to Privacy and Security, tap Analytics and Improvements, and turn off Share iPhone Analytics. While this data is said to be anonymized, turning it off gives you more control. Finally, check Background App Refresh. Many apps continue collecting data even when you're not using them. Go to Settings, tap General, then Background App Refresh, and disable it for apps that don't need constant updates. Your iPhone isn't secretly spying in a dramatic way, but it is collecting data to improve services and personalize your experience. The real power lies in understanding what's enabled and choosing what you're comfortable with. Take 5 minutes right now, go through these settings, and turn off what you don't need. Your privacy is worth it. That's it for today's video. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well.